Namaskar. Today we are going to talk about 6 whole grains and seeds that will make you digest your food faster and promote healthy bowel movements. But before we begin, please like and subscribe so that you stay updated with our latest health tips and home remedies. Also, please share this reel with your friends and family so that they, too, can benefit. Now, let's get started. The first grain is brown rice. It contains a type of fiber called insoluble fiber, which has been proven to speed up the digestive process and prevent constipation. Just by eating a cup of brown rice every day, you will experience softer stools and regular bowel movements. The second grain is quinoa. Quinoa is a complete protein and also a good source of fiber. This helps to add bulk to your stools and makes them easier to pass. Quinoa also contains magnesium, which relaxes the muscles in your gut and promotes healthy bowel movements. Third grain is chia seeds. They are tiny little seeds packed with fiber. Just 1 ounce of chia seeds contains about 34 grams of fiber. This can help to improve your digestion in 2 ways. First, chia seeds absorb water and expand in your stomach, which makes you feel full and prevents constipation. Second, chia seeds are a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation in the body and promote gut health. The fourth grain is flax seeds. Flax seeds are another excellent source of fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. These 2 nutrients can help to improve your digestion and prevent constipation. You can add flax seeds to your breakfast cereal or smoothie bowls for a healthy dose of fiber and omega-3 south. The fifth grain is whole wheat bread. When it comes to improving digestion, not all breads are created equal. Choose whole wheat bread over white bread because it contains more fiber. Whole wheat bread can help to add bulk to your stools and make them easier to pass. Just be sure to read the label and make sure that the first ingredient is whole wheat. And the last grain is barley. Barley is a type of grain that is often used to make beer. It contains a number of beneficial compounds that can help to improve digestion, such as silicon, magnesium, and zinc. These minerals can help to relax the muscles in your gut and promote healthy bowel movements. So these are 6 whole grains and seeds that you can eat to improve your digestion. In addition to these foods, be sure to drink plenty of water and exercise regularly. Doing these 3 things together will help you to have perfect poops every day. Namaskar.